Well, no sooner do I put my birds out, it starts pissing down with hailstones. This will teach them how to fly, if they don't fuck off. Fucking miles away, I can just see them. CBR Lofts, Geordie Roller. Way in the distance there above the houses. Surprised I hadn't landed on a house. I'm coming back over this way. Bloody hell. I've got to be careful where I'm filming here. I've got a pond right next to it. I'll end up straight in it. Oh, it's starting to stop. Hope that was just a shower. Oh, right above my head. I suppose I'll get a shower. How about else? Where's it gone? Oh. Whoa. Bloody snow, 5th of bloody May. Marvellous. I need to cut now because I'm getting fucking drenched. See you soon.